This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 19 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from the Marvel Avengers type films, the Infinity Saga. Looking at the trial of Warlock. Warlock is a character that keeps popping up, but hasn't popped up in any of the movies yet that I'm aware of. I'm sure he will at some point because he's quite a big thing. Was that? What was he in the Guardians 3? Was that him? I think it might have been. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I'm completely an idiot. Well, you can let me know that anyway. But you know, if that is who that was, I think it was Adam Warlock, wasn't it? I don't know. So the thumb, the final part of the thumb, I believe, we're putting the last cover piece over the top. Now, this one is interestingly held in place with a clip rather than a screw, because you can't have a screw visible, because there aren't any screws on the outside of the Infinity Gauntlet. And that's how it looks, and that is the thumb completed, except for being attached to the whole rest of the thing. But there we go. Living Tribunal, above all. Most of this is just me saying I don't know who he is. Why has he not got a neck? I never will understand. But there we go. The last, latest in the crew, the artist, the text person. I don't know what Marie does. She's an all-rounder apparently. There you go. Right, let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get the thumb finally finished. And there we have it. We've got one final metal piece, the clip that will hold it all together, which we need to put in place first with a single screw that I've already got out of the last bat, rather than opening another packet. So that will go in there just like so, holding that secure in there. Tighten that up, because that's the only thing that's going to be holding all of this together. So this then goes onto there. Which way round is the real question. Is it going to look a bit strange one way or better the other? Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's fitting properly that way round. This ridge has definitely got to be on the underside, I believe. I will double check, because I don't want to clip it in place and then have to force it open. But let's have a quick look. That ridge piece, it looks like it is that way round, so I'm pretty sure I'm correct in having the ridge piece on the lower side here. It's on the upper side of that one. Now I'm torn. I'm going to try and see if it goes that way round, because that then goes over the top of that, because we need something to hide that, and there's only not so much of it on that side. So I'm confident, not overly confident, but a little bit confident, and I can't get it lined up properly now. So if I can't get it lined up that way around, does that mean it is the other way? Or does it just mean that I'm being incompetent? No, that's there, and that lines up perfectly, so I'm sure that is the correct way round. So that should clip in place. Oh, it's going to take a bit of forcing. Maneuver things around a bit. Got to be lined up there, isn't it? I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it. I should have to have a closer look and see exactly what it says. It says put the clip in. Obviously, that's the easy bit. I've done that. Couldn't go far wrong with that. But then the other bit. It doesn't really show very well in the pictures. I mean, you can see the pictures. I'll put them in the corner. But if in case I forget, it doesn't really show it overly clearly. I'm going to try it and figure out which way around it goes, and then I shall come back and show you it completed, and I'll dig out the stone to go on there as well. So see you in just a moment. Right, yes, it was the other way up. The thick ridge piece is at the bottom, not the top. Top's got a little ridge piece, and it's enough. It covers it all nicely, and obviously does still move. And as promised, I forgot how big that bit was, but obviously the inside piece is the right shape for that. So that will magnetize in there like so, covering a wealth of everything. Look at that. That really is lovely, isn't it? I mean, the stone lights up and everything. But yeah, that is clever. I like it. It's good. It's huge. It's lovely. And there are no exposed anythings really. There's a bit of sort of plastic on the inside of there, but not enough that's anything to even slightly worry about. I'm more than happy for that to be what that is. So there we have it. That is what we've got. We've completed the thumb. I shall put it aside because next time we're doing a little bit more with the gauntlet itself, the hand piece. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you soon for more. So stay safe. Bye-bye for now.